Hey guys, welcome to another video on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix two things. The first one is your AdSense payment, how to add your bank account to your AdSense. And then the second one is how to fix up your tax issue. So if you have this information telling you to manage your tax information is required and stuff like that, you have to manage your tax information. So I'm going to show you how to fix the two of them. So let's start with the first one, which is how to add your payments to your bank account. So if you're a new AdSense user, or you just got eligible for your first payment on AdSense, this would pop up asking you to add your bank details. So to do that, just click on this go to payments and then let it load. So once you come to the payment side, you are going to see your balance as you've reached your threshold, and then here now you are going to see that it's empty. Normally, if you added it, you should see your bank account here, but it's empty. So you click on this button, which is called add payments method. You click on it. So now there are two payments methods here that are showing here. The first one is add wire transfer details. This one is the option where it will be sent to your bank account. Then the second one is add new check details. This option is you're going to put in your address, and then they're going to send you it to you via check. They're going to send you a check to your email address, to your fiscal address, sorry. And then once the check comes, you can go to your bank and cash in the check. This method is slower. It takes a lot of time, especially for us in Nigeria, people staying outside US and UK. It takes a lot of time. So use this one. Click on add wire transfer details, and then here you have to put your details here. So I'm going to guide you on how to do this. Please take note that if you're using a Nigerian account, a Nigerian access account, bank accounts like Gray from providers like Gray, Clever, GPay won't work. You have to use a real Nigerian bank account. So it's only a real Nigerian bank account that will work. So if you have so you have to go to your bank, maybe UBA or whatever bank you're using, and then tell them that you want to withdraw. So you want to open a DOM account, and then they are going to ask for some documentation. You make an initial deposit, and then you get your DOM account working. So this, for the first part, the beneficiary ID is optional. So this one now is just to make sure that you can, if you have multiple bank accounts linked to your Google AdSense account, you know which one the money was paid to anytime the money is sent. So this one is optional. You can ignore it. So name on the bank account, now you have to check for the name on your bank account. So for mine is I'm just going to use my name on the bank account. Then the bank name, you're going to put in your bank name. Okay, now your Swift BIC. So the Swift BIC, sometimes it gets very confusing. So what I'll advise you to do is either contact your bank, or you can go on your Google search and search for your bank Swift BIC. Let's say you're using FCMB Bank, you can say FCMB Swift BIC, and then you look for the information from your bank itself, right? But I already have my Swift BIC. Since I'm using UBA, which is United Bank for Africa, my Swift BIC is FNGLA228. So this is my Swift BIC. So please make sure you get the right Swift BIC, your right Swift BIC. Don't make an error. So in case you get an error here, your Swift BIC will tell them that this is the bank you are paying to. So this account number belongs to this bank. So finally, then you have to put your bank account number. Please do not use your Nigerian bank. Sorry, do not use your local Naira account. Use your domiciliary account. So make sure you have a domiciliary account before putting it. So I'm going to put mine here. Then they are going to ask you to retype the bank account. You cannot copy. Let me see if they'll give you the option to copy and paste. Yeah, you can copy and paste, but the main reason why they ask you to type it manually is because they want to make sure that it corresponds. In case you make an error, you can rectify the error. So let me just manually type it again. And then, as you can see, this field is invalid. That means I made an error. That's why you have to manually type it again, to make sure that in case this one is wrong, you're going to know that, okay, here I made an error. So I've seen the error. It's just to add this. and I think it should be fine. Yeah, so the two accounts correspond. So this part now, intermediary bank, you can leave it empty. You don't need to do anything, and then everything else you can leave it as empty. So that's how very easy it is, and that's how very fast it is to set up your bank account. Make sure if you have multiple accounts, make sure the account you want the money to be sent to, or the account you want them to prioritize, make sure you click this button, set as primary payment method. You click on it and save. Once you're done, click on save and then let it load. And as you can see, it has been set up. Your payment method has been set up. So if you want to add another payment method, maybe you have another bank account you want to add in case maybe the first one has issues, or you just want to put multiple bank accounts in case the first one is not available at the moment, they will send it to the other one. You can add it here. You can also add the check details if you want, but I'm not going to do that again because I just want to use only this bank account. So it will take some time, and then this stuff should disappear. You can click on go to payments to verify again that you set it up. So now once you click on go to payments, you can see that this has been fixed. Now the issue now, to make sure your payment is included in the next payment cycle, please provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. So now this is where you have to fix in your tax information. So you click on the update button, and then this. So submit a tax information as soon as possible, because Google might need to withhold 30% of your payout. So sometimes if you don't submit your tax information, Google might hold 30% of your money. So to do that, you just click on add tax information. This might take 1 hour. Just click on start form, and then they're going to take you to the Google tax plate. So once you enter your password, then you'll be brought back here. So this is where you have to fix your tax information. So what type of account are you filling as an individual or a bank or a group? Sorry. So we're filling this tax as an individual. You click on next. Are you a resident of the United States? You click on no. You're not a resident of the United States. Make sure you click on no because you are not a resident of the United States. Don't make this error. Based on your previous selected, you need a W8 form. So this W8 W8BEN, this form is used for non-individual who would also use to claim your tax 30 rather. Then this one, WECI form. This form is most commonly used by US non-business. So this one is for business that earn income. This one now, if you earn income related to the US, use this one. If you don't earn income in the US, you earn this one. So click on this one. Make sure you're using the W8BEN form, and then you click on start W8BEN. Then you're going to give it some time to load, because sometimes it takes time depending on your internet speed. So now your tax identity, citizen of residentship. So you're going to click on this, and then you're going to select the country where you are a resident. So you scroll down and look for Nigeria. It depends on your country. So I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria. Then you're going to put your foreign TIN and your US TIN if you want it. So I'm going to get my TIN now, and I'm going to put my TIN. So just give me some seconds. TIN. Let me get my TIN, and then I'm going to put the TIN. So to get your TIN, you can just go to online, search on Google for TIN. Then you're going to put your information there, and they're going to give you a TIN. So search for I think it's a Nigerian website. I'm going to add the link in the video description. So I'm going to click on the TIN, your foreign TIN. That's as in Nigeria. Now this is your foreign TIN. So I'm going to put my TIN here, my tax information number. So for the sake of privacy, I'm going to blur this. Yeah. Then this other one now, US TIN or your social security number. Since I'm not in the US and I don't have a social security number, I'm going to leave this empty. Then I'm going to click on next. Then click on this box. Then now you're going to manually put in your address, your street address and everything. So just put it based on how you fixed it, example. Then your postal code, put it. Then your states, federal, I'm in Abuja. So I'm going to look for Federal Capital Territory and put it. So I'm going to click on this box again. Your mailing address is same as your permanent resident address. So if you click on this box, you don't have to fill up this stuff again since you're going to use the same information here. So click on this and then you click on this again. Click on next. So the next part is going to be about your tax treaty. So Nigeria and US don't have a tax treaty, so they might hold 30% and stuff like that. So click no, I'm not eligible, since you're not eligible for tax withholding, and then you click on next. Then scroll down again. Then have you performed any activities in the US or within the US? Click on no, tell them no, and then you clarify that you've not done anything in the US, so that they're not going to remove that 30% from you. They are going to read this stuff. If you want it to be sent to your email, you can click on this and then they're going to send it by your email, or just click on go paperless. This is one that I recommend. You can come down and read it if you want, but it doesn't matter, because even if you read it or not, you still have to like accept it. So click on next, and then this is what your form looks like. You can come over here to look at it, but let's not just waste that time. Come over here and then you click on that you've confirmed that you've looked at it to the best of your knowledge, and you click on next. Then make sure you click on this button. Yes, this one. Then you can review this. You need to copy this name. Make sure the name you're using on your account, you copy it, because you need to sign. So click on this, come down again, click on this. This is where you have to sign. So I certify under penalties of perjury that the information presented is not true and completed and entered in the year. So this is let's just leave this and then come back. Yes, I am a beneficiary owner. No, I'm not a beneficiary. I'm not the beneficiary owner named. So click on this. This is for you. Then this is your full American name. This is you signing the form now, and then you click on submit. Then you're going to allow it to load. I think this is where it ends. So make sure you follow these steps carefully. You can just pause the video in case you are missing anything, whatever. And then you can see now that your tax information has been accepted. It has been approved, and then you can now go on using the Google AdSense account. Then it will take some time. This error will disappear and this error will disappear. It usually takes some time. So if you want to change your tax form, maybe you want to change it and other stuff, you can come over here and submit new form, which is going to change everything. Like maybe you want to change it to W8BIN. You want to change the type of tax form you're using. Maybe you want to start doing business in the USA and stuff like that. You can just come here and click on submit new form, and it's going to override this one. So you can just click on this button now. So that's all for this video. As you can see, it was submitted on the 14th of August 2025, which is a very recent video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section and I'm going to help you in the best of my knowledge. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.